Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. In this new video on 3-minute series for prelims, we'll be discussing about the important tiger reserves in India. The important body that controls about the tiger conservation, population and preservation in India is the NTCA, that is the National Tiger Conservation Authority, which is chaired by the Minister of Environment, and the State Tiger Conservation Authority is chaired by the respective chief ministers of each state. It is a statutory body established through the Wildlife Protection Act, and it provides statutory status to the Project Tiger, which was constituted in the year 1973, and it also provides for an oversight by the Parliament. The main functions of the NTCA are to approve the tiger conservation plans which are provided by the state governments, and also approve, coordinate, manage research on tigers and their habitat, and also facilitate the ongoing capacity building programs for skill development of officers and tigers and staff of the tiger reserves. Now we'll discuss some of the important tiger reserves state-wise. In Rajasthan we have Sariska Tiger Reserve and Mukundara and Ranthambore Tiger Reserve. While in the Madhya Pradesh there are about 6 tiger reserves, that is Satpura, Pench, Panna, Sanjay Dubri, Bandhavgarh and Kanha. In Maharashtra we have 4, that is Sahyadri, Melghat, Bor, Pench and Navegaon Nagzira. Tadoba Andheri is a transboundary tiger reserve between Maharashtra and Telangana. In Telangana we have Kaval and Nagarjun Sagar Tiger Reserve. In Karnataka we have Dandeli Anshi, Bhadra, Nagarhole, Bandipur and BRT, that is Biligiri Ranga Tiger Reserve, and also Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve. In Tamil Nadu we have Mudumalai Annamalai and KMTR, that is Kalakad Mundanturai Tiger Reserve, and in Kerala we have Periyar Perambikulam Tiger Reserves. While in Odisha we have Satkosia and Simlipal. Udanti Sita Nadi is a transboundary tiger reserve between Chhattisgarh and Odisha. In Odisha we also have a transboundary another tiger reserve, that is Achanakmar Amarkantak, which is between Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh. In Jharkhand we have Palamau. In UP we have Pilibhit, Valmiki, Dudhwa, and in Uttarakhand we have Corbett. In West Bengal we have Baksa. In Assam we have Manas, Nameri and Kaziranga. While in Arunachal Pradesh we have Pakke and Namdafa. In Mizoram we have Dampa Tiger Reserve. Now we'll solve this question. Consider the following statements regarding tiger reserves in India. All states in India have at least one tiger reserve. No tigers were found in Baksa Tiger Reserve in West Bengal. The correct answer is B, 2 only. As we have seen, there are many states like Nagaland, Manipur, Andhra Pradesh, where there has not been a single tiger reserve so far. And according to the recent 2018 census on tigers, there has been no tigers found in the Baksa Tiger Reserve and also in Dampa, which is in Mizoram. Thank you.